Okay, so really happy to see you guys again. So last week we just released our newest version of S1 and P1 firmware, and also last week we also released 1.3 of the iPad Trion model. So today I will share the new features on all these new versions. So since the update already sent to the App Store, so you can just connect to the scanner and go to detect upgrade. For S1, you have the newest version 2.5, and for P1 the newest version is 1.5, and for Trion model the newest version is 1.3. Just connect to the scanner and go to the setting page and detect upgrade and upgrade it. And if you want to use PC to upgrade the scanner, you have the package here. I can share the link to you guys. And yeah, everybody can go to this address to download the package and upgrade the scanner. So also, yeah, at the end of this meeting, we will have maybe 15 to 20 minutes Q&A time, so everybody can ask your question. And before the Q&A, I will introduce all the features. Okay, so the part one is the new features that were released on Trion P1, the 1.5. So the first feature that we added on 1.5 is that we added the STA mode of the scanner. So the two mode of the Wi-Fi connection. AP mode is the previous mode that we use. It is the access point mode that the scanner emits a Wi-Fi signal, and then you use your cell phone to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then connect to the mobile app to control the scanner. So this is the previous mode, and under this mode, your cell phone will disconnect from internet. So yeah, you will not able to like provide the Attica signal to the Attica rover, to the GNSS rover. And the new mode we added is the station mode. That is you open you turn on the hotspot on your cell phone, and then the scanner connect to your cell phone hotspot. Under this way, you'll be able to connect to internet during the connection with the scanner. So this is a new mode we added, and also the light definition also changed. In the previous version, the AP mode is green light. Like after you power on the scanner, you will see the indicator is green, and then in this mode, after you power on the scanner, the indicator is still green, but it is STA mode. And if you want to switch from STA mode to the AP mode, there is an operation that you can do a short press and a long press. The long press over 1 second to switch the Wi-Fi mode. So this is a small change. And also, if you want to switch the Wi-Fi channel from 2.4 to 5G or from 5G to 2.4G, you can press 3 times. Soft press, yeah. So since after you upgrade to 1.5, the scanner no longer emits Wi-Fi signal. So some users, if you do not check the release note or you didn't come to this training, after you upgrade to the 1.5, you may not know how to connect to the scanner. So this is the correct step to connect to the scanner under the STA mode. So step 1, you need to go to set your hotspot. Need to go to set your personal hotspot. And for the iOS user, you need to turn this option off. Maximize compatibility. Yeah, you need to switch this option off. So sorry, you need to switch this option on and switch your hotspot on. And then you also need to turn on your Bluetooth. Yeah. So you have to so the requirement is first turn on the hotspot and turn on the Bluetooth. And under the hotspot, you need to switch this option on. So here are some requirements. And there are 4 cases. The first case is the first time you add you add this device. So which means that maybe when you open the Trion scan software, when you open the Trion scan software, you get blanket here. So you need to add device. And then after you click a device, you will go to this option. You will go to this option. So then you will see the serial number of your scanner, and then you click next, and then you will go to the password setting page. And another thing is that before the firmware of the scanner, you also need to upgrade the app version, the mobile app version. So you need to, after you upgrade the firmware, you need to upgrade the firmware version. Click here and detect the newest version of the mobile app. And this is the first time you add the scanner. Just follow the instructions steps by step. And if you have already upgraded mobile app version to 1.5, but you didn't upgrade the firmware to 1.5, you need to click on here. Switch connection method. So the default method of the Wi-Fi connection of 1.5 scan app is under the STA mode. And if you didn't upgrade the firmware, but you have the 1.5 of scan app, you need to switch the connection rate to allows you to connect to the scanner AP. And after you type in the hotspot name and password, it will connect to the scanner. So I have a video to show you. So after you upgrade the firmware and upgrade the scan app, you go to the setting page of your scanner. So go to the setting page of your cell phone and go to set the personal hotspot. Sorry. So yeah. Go to the step one, go to the setting page of your cell phone and go to the personal hotspot option and then turn on the hotspot and then turn on the maximize compatibility. And then also switch the Bluetooth on because the weight of the connection is the Bluetooth to pairing. Use the Bluetooth to do the pairing between the scanner and the cell phone. And after it paired, it used the Wi-Fi signal to do the data transfer. So Bluetooth is only for pairing, but you have to switch it on. And then you open the Trion Scan app. And sorry. And then you add the device like P1 and next step. And it will start the search the scanner, and then you will see the serial number here, and then you click on it. And then you'll be required to enter the hotspot name and the hotspot password. And then you click confirm. Yeah. And then you'll be able to connect to the scanner under the STA mode. And if you didn't set the Ntrip account before, there will be an addition page here. There will be an if you didn't set if this is the first time you connect to the scanner and you connect to the pocket size antenna, you will go to this page. So after you connect the scanner, it pop out this window and then ask you to select the RTK model. So you have 3 models. Currently, we have V1T. Sorry, we have V1T and V10i and SR. SR is the pocket size antenna. And then you'll be able to, and click on detailed setting, you'll be able to enter the course account. So this is the first time you connect to the scanner after you upgrade it to the 1.5. And also if you have 2 cell phones or there is another user also want to connect to the scanner, you can share your hotspot to another cell phone. And then the second cell phone connect to the first cell phone's hotspot and then open the app. Step 1, you will go to this page. After you enter the scan app, and then you try to connect to the scanner, and then you will go to this page. It tells you that this scanner already connected with another cell phone. So you click confirm, and then you go to connect to the first cell phone's AP, and then you'll be able to enter the scanner. And also you will go to the setting page of the RTK model. So this is the second or third device to connect to the scanner. And after the first time you add the scanner, you will have this scanner on your list. Okay, after you add it, you have it on your list. And when you power on the scanner and switch your hotspot on and switch the Bluetooth on, you may see that the scanner still offline. Yeah, it won't connect to the scanner automatically. But since you have already have it on your list and you have already have the connection, the app already remember the password and the hotspot name of your cell phone, and then you just click on the serial number, and then it will start to search the Bluetooth. It will start to search the Bluetooth. And then after it got the connection, if you connect to you can see after the scanner get connected to the hotspot, you will see this icon if you are iOS user, and then connect to the scanner. So this is faster than the first time you connect to the scanner. You don't need to enter the password and the hotspot name every time. Yeah. So also, if this is the second time you connect to another one's hotspot, also the same. Just connect to the first cell phone's AP, and then find the serial number and click on it. It will start to get the connection. So there are 4 cases. First case, you first time added, and the second case is not first time added. And use the cell phone to share the hotspot or connect to another one's cell phone. And for the switch of different mode, SDA and AP, I also record a video to show you. So you can check this video. Yeah, you can see after you switch the scanner, after you switch the scanner on, the indicator is green light. Yeah, and then a short press and a long press over 1 second. Long press should over 1 second. The indicator will switch to blue, and this mode, the scanner will emit a Wi-Fi signal to allow you to connect to the Wi-Fi. Yeah, this is the way to switch the STA and the AP mode. Yeah, and under this mode, since you have the connection to internet during the connection to the scanner, so you're allowed to set the RTK rover. So in the 1.5, we add the pocket size antenna, the model is SR. And after you connect to the scanner, you will go to this page. And then when you click on detail settings, you will go to this page, the RTK settings, and select the RTK model and click on the mobile station setting. So maybe this translation is not accurate. It should be the RTK rover setting. But yeah, and then click on the setting. You will go to this page. So yeah, everybody use a RTK device will know how to enter this info, this like the edges and the port and the node. Just go to maybe buy an Ntrip account from the local server, the server, and then enter it, and then you will be connected RTK. And the difference between this version and the previous version is in the previous version, if you want to connect to RTK, maybe you need to use another cell phone to share the hotspot to your cell phone during the AP mode to allow you to connect to internet to the controller of the RTK rover. In the previous version, you need to have one cell phone to connect to the scanner, another cell phone to connect to the controller to provide internet to get a fixed solution of the RTK. But in this version, everything can be finished in one cell phone. Yeah, you don't need to use Trion server anymore. So this is the RTK rover setting. And the second update is the device verification. If you upgrade the scanner from older version like 1.4, 1.3 to 1.5, or you purchase a new scanner and then you open the box and activate it, you have to make sure that the scanner can connect to internet, like in 1.5 of the firmware, you need to make sure that it can connect internet to get the verification from the background to activate it. If you don't have internet, yeah, you'll be not able to activate it. So this is a small change. Just make sure that your cell phone can visit the internet when you connect it under 1.5. The first time connected. So this is a small change also. And the fourth update is that you can see we add a RTCM file to allow you to download it. So this is for the function that we are going to add it on the 201 of Trion model. So you can see there are multiple formats. You can see last PLY, PTS. They are the real-time processing data of the scanner, and the FJD SLAM is the post-process data. You have to use the Trion model to run the point cloud mapping to get a high density data of the point cloud, and then the RTCM also the same. You can consider that the FJD RTK is the real time processing data, and the RTCM is the raw data. So sometimes maybe you cannot get a good accuracy or a good fixed solution at the site. You can download the RTCM stream and go back to your office and then use the RTCM stream, which is the raw data of the RTK observation volume data, and run the PPK function on the 201 of Trion model to get a high accuracy of the RTK data. And when you do the RTK fusion, yeah, you will get a high accuracy. So yeah, we released this option, but not supported yet. You have to wait until the 201 of Trion model release.
Sì, cioè io non annullerei per 2 appuntamenti su una settimana, mi sono troppi.
And the fifth feature is the equidistant slice image. This is released on the previous version 1.4. And in the previous version, you can only like change the distance value by move this bar, but in this version, you can just click on this column and then enter value to define the slice distance to get the slice image of the phone cloud. So yeah, there are not many new features, but just just a big change. You have to get used to the STA mode. And every time you switch the scanner off and repower it on, if you started with the STA mode, so if you want to switch to AP mode, you have to manually do a short and long press every time. So and it is worth to mention that every time, it is worth to mention that you have to, if you want to make sure that all features works properly, you have to upgrade the P1 firmware and also the Trion app. Don't forget to update it. Click on this option and then go to dictate the upgrade of the scan app. The newest version is 1.5.1. And for S1, the 2.5, there are not many new features updated yet, but in the coming version 2.5.1, we will add almost all the features that 1.5 of P1 have to S1. It is developing, but soon. It won't be a big version, just a small version. It won't be 1.6. It will be 1. It won't be 2.5. Sorry, it won't be 2.6, but 2.5.1. You will have these features on on this one. But pocket size antenna it won't be supported. And the LED definition is a big difference from P1. Under STA mode, the indicator of S1 is red line, but for P1 is green line. And under the AP mode, the indicator is green line, so not the same with the Trion P1. And the way to switch the scanner from STA to AP is the same with P1. You just do a short press and a long press. You will see the indicator change, and then you will be able to connect to the AP from the scanner. And all the operations are the same. Just power on the scanner, switch on the hotspot and Bluetooth, and then just do it step by step. And enter the password and the hotspot name, and then get the connection. And another change of the S1 is we increase the rotation speed of the LiDAR from 20 rounds per minute to 30 rounds per minute. So we realized that under the vehicle mode, if the rotation speed is 20 RPM, the density of the ground cloud will be not that good. So we try to increase the rotation speed of the LiDAR. And then we find that the density of the ground point increase. So yeah, this is optimization. You can try if you have the vehicle the vehicle bracket, you can try to update it and then check if it looks better than the previous version. Okay, so these are the update the update we made on the S1 and P1 firmware. And yeah, the third part is about the iPad Trion model. So also change a lot. The whole user interface change, and I can connect to my iPad to show you. Hold on for a minute. Okay, I got a connection. So this is the newest version of iPad Trion model. You can go to the settings about page to check the newest version. And okay, and then open the sharing. And then you can see there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 new features. And all these features we had on our PC version Trion model. So we just try to update all the features that we had on Windows to iPad. So the first feature is the profile analysis. And before we check the new feature, I can show you the change of the user interface. You can see all the icon change to like gray and looks more simplified, and yeah, small change. This is an optimization of the icons. And yeah, click on edit here. Click on edit, you will see there are some new features. So the first we added is the profile analysis that we also have on the PC version Trion model. And you can select the different view, like 3D, you can move it, and top view, front view. And then you can start to click on point 1, point 2 to get a slice plan. And after you confirm the plan to slice, you can click on here, profile analysis, to get the slice plan. And yeah, you will have the profile. And then you can see we have the measurement to here, same to the Windows version Trion model here. And click on here, you will be able to measure the thickness of the wall, yeah, and the length, some kind of these parameters. Yeah, a difference between this, a difference between this and the and the Windows version Trion model is the Windows version can do multiple measurement, but iPad version can support one only. We will also update it. And also you can switch the color from the point cloud color or the real color of the environment. Different option. If you have ever used the profile analysis function on the Windows version Trion model, you will know how to use this feature easily. So this is the first feature we add on 1.3. And the second feature is the classification. Yeah, this is the same. Also, the same is the feature, the classification function on the Windows version channel model. So on the iPad, the name of this function is category, but it's the same. Click on it, you will see it has two scenarios: indoor and outdoor. And indoor, we have wall and floor and ceiling. And for outdoor, they have the ground and vegetation and building. So yeah, all these parameters is the same. Yeah, all these parameters are the same with the iPad version channel model. Sorry, with the Windows version channel model. So I click confirm, it will start to see the classification. After the classification, it gives you different colors, like red is the building and brown is the ground and green is the vegetations. And then you can have the extract by class function. So you click on here, extract, you'll be able to classify it. Yeah, what is the difference between the indoor and outdoor scenario? So yeah, basically this is the difference of the class. For indoor, you have wall ceiling and hold on, let me check. Indoor, you have the wall ceiling and the ground, and for outdoor, you have the building, the vegetation, the building vegetation and the ground. So the type is different. This is mainly about the type. So, yep. So I have finished the extraction. So after that, you have different types of files here. You can click on here. And then you will see you switch the unclassified clouds off and then switch the building, and then you get the ground cloud only. So you just click on the eye icon to choose to display or not display it. Also, same with the feature that we have on the Windows version chart model. Profile analysis, classification, extract by class, and the merge function. And in the previous version, we add the registration function here. This is the function that we added on the previous version. If you want to do the registration on 2.0 data, you need to manually move them and make sure that you make sure that the rough registration is finished, and then the overlap area is aligned to each other, and then you click on registration. But after the point cloud registration, you still have 2.0. And if you want to merge them to one, yeah, you just click on here to add a new data. Add a new data, and then you activate, and then you can activate the merge function, and then you just merge them to one data. Yeah, same to the Windows version channel model. And also you can do mesh on the iPad in this version. So okay, and click on here. You can see there's a mesh function, and click on it. You will see there are two two type of mesh, thin and surface triangle mesh. So thin is mainly about the thin is mainly to create a mesh on an open surface like Copilot, and the surface triangle mesh is mainly to do the mesh on a closed plan like a building and like channel something like this. You have to make it close. You use this to do the mesh. So yeah, let me show you how to do mesh on open surface. It is also the same with the Windows version 1 model. You can see there's a maximum hole filling edge length. This is the maximum side length of the triangle. And then you click on confirm, it will start to do the mesh. Yeah, intensity classification not supported yet, but if you have this application, we'll think about this. Yeah, this is not difficult to develop. Yeah, this is from the application that we use for our work. You can access to this. You can access to this link, and unless you have the log, you have this application called log chat. So, yeah, so this is after mesh, and you click on here, and then you can choose to display the point cloud or not. Yeah, this is not to display the point cloud. Left the mesh only. And yeah, the same way to create the mesh on the surface triangle mesh. But you can see we can only in the Windows Trion model, you can have a smooth function. Yeah, you can have a smooth function and simple function. So yeah, we didn't have it on iPad yet, but we will add it in the future. So this is the mesh feature, and you can mesh the hold on. Yeah, you can change the surface triangle mesh resolution as well. The same with the mesh on the sorry. Yeah, you can for the triangle mesh, you can change the resolution like what you did on the Windows version 1 model. And then another feature is the volume calculation function. Yeah, the same way like the calculation you did on the like the operation is totally the same with the Windows 10 model. Just click on the volume calculation, and single phase is to calculate this point cloud only. And you can define the height of the starting plane, and for the empty area, you can select leave it blank or maximum value. Well, yeah, you can see average, maximum customization. And usually we use the interpolation. And then we start to do the calculation. You will get a report like this. You can save it to local. But the way to do the calculation is same with the Windows Trion model. A way of calculation. And then if you have two pilot or you have 2-point cloud, like today you have this much, and then another day you take some or you add some, you can import both and then use this way two-phase volume calculation to get the difference of the different state of this pilot. It is the same with this function here, two-phase conversion. So you can update and try it by yourself. The operation is totally the same. And yeah. And the next one is the layout. You can see the icon change. So this is a small optimization. Looks more clean. Make this software looks like more simple. And yeah, and the last feature is about the optimization of the connection guidance. Since we added the STA mode on the Trion P1, so if you want to connect it via iPad, you need to switch it to the AP mode, because we mainly use the iPad to process the data, and we need to download the data from the scanner. And iPad usually don't have internet. If you are not in your office, you need to, if you connect to another device hotspot to connect internet, you'll be not able to connect to the scanner. So if you use iPad and you want to connect to scanner, the only mode you can use is the AP mode of the scanner. So each time if you want to connect to scanner to download data, you will see this info that asks you to switch the scanner to AP mode.